The gods of nuclear fission wailing in the night. Air Force jets from Homestead clearing the area. That is the unlikely scenario if there was an emergency at the Turkey Point nuclear power plant. The area near the plant is known as the 10-mile protection zone. 38 sirens would alert the 80,000 people who live in this area.
This is a test. This is only a test.
FP&L employees like Greg Casto were stationed at all 38 sirens for this first system-wide test, a test which very much includes the residents in this area.
Hopefully they'll be informed, and they should be informed, and they will either consult TV or radio or call one of the numbers that's listed in their emergency measures handbook.
Up close, the sirens are penetrating, but this test was to hear how effective they really are.
Can everyone hear the sirens? And even so, do they know what to do